Great, so you've set up the Lyrebird and Gentu integration. I just want to walk you through quickly the ideal workflow. So you should come into Lyrebird and you'll see that there's a patient here. You'll click start, and then you'll select if it's an initial or review consult. You can click enter to start the consult, and then Lyrebird will start recording. I'll do a consult quickly and then show you the ideal steps. So I've done that consultation. I'm just going to click stop, and Lyrebird's going to generate the note for me. Perfect. So now I've got the notes here. I want to edit these and make sure that they are as edited as possible, because I don't want to have to edit these after I've saved them into Gentu. So if you need to edit them and you know you've got to wait maybe 24 hours to get the results back and you want to save it into the notes here, then I wouldn't save it until you have got everything you need, because once you've saved it to Gentu, you can save a new one, but you can't update the old one. So make sure this is all correct and then save it to Gentu. Now, the next thing you want to do is you need to write a letter. So I'm going to click write document, and I'm going to write a letter to a referring clinician and a letter to the orthopedic surgeon. I'm going to quickly write those two letters, and you'll see what happens here is once it's generated, we can see here that we can add a template or a letterhead onto this letter. So I'm going to add that. I'm going to click referral letter, and now once I save this to Gentu, I can edit it into Gentu in Gentu, so that's all right. So I'm going to save it, and we'll do the same as well for this one. So now they're both saved into Gentu. I can head into Gentu, open up this appointment with Paul, and I can see that these two letters here and then the SOAP note. So the SOAP note, I can't edit. So up here, there's no option to edit it. But the letter, because I used the template or the letterhead, I can open it. So I can click open, and I can see the content of the letter there, and I can edit it. So I can delete all of it if I wanted to. Don't suggest that. But once you've saved it, then you're all done. I just want to show you really quickly where to do those templates. So it's in templates here, in letter templates, and the one section that you need for Lyrebird to recognize that this template is being used is this bit here. So dictation text. And it's not just the word dictation.text, it's actually the variable that you select when you select on reference, and then you choose dictation and enter voice dictation text. So that's what you need to have in your template. If you're having problems, that is potentially the problem, and that is kind of the ideal workflow for syncing your patients into Lyrebird. Doing the consult in Lyrebird, you can still use all the customization that Lyrebird has to offer, and then you're saving it back into Gentu at the end. Let me know how you're finding Gentu and Lyrebird integration, and if you think there's more things we can build, then let us know, and we'll get onto them as soon as possible.